Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up a way to access your chat history in Messenger. So all you have to do is to set up a way to access your chat history by creating a PIN. So whenever you log into other device and you see this missing chat history sync now, you have your PIN already and all you have to do is to input that one. So how are you going to set up a way to access your chat history in Messenger? So you have to open your Messenger application and look for this. Set up a way to access your chat history. You can see it under privacy and safety. You will see an option there. So all you have to do is to click this create pin and set up a pin. And you should always remember this pin. Do not forget this one so that when you log in, then you know or you have the access to your chat history. So you have options here, create a 6-digit PIN, continue with Google, store on device only. So we're going to click this create a 6-digit PIN and then tap this continue button. After that, you need to think of this 6-digit. It could be your birthday or something special for you, and then all you have to do is to set up right here. So make it memorable. You need it when you switch to a new device or log into your desktop computer or other phone. So after you have created your PIN, they will ask again to type it. And then after that, you have to click submit. So whenever you log into other device, such as other phone device, desktop, laptop, other computer, then it would be easier for you to get access or to have access to your chat history. So tap the sync now and then enter the 6-digit and that's it. So that's how easy it is to set up a way to access your chat history in Messenger. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.